Which constitutional provision did the 102nd Amendment primarily address? Article 343, Article 368, Article 15, Article 370. Article 342A. Explanation. The 102nd Amendment to the Constitution of India primarily addressed Article 342, which is related to the powers of the President to specify a list of socially and educationally backward classes, SEBCs, in relation to each state and union territory. It also inserted Article 338B, which deals with the structure, duties and powers of the National Commission for Backward Classes, NCBC. Lastly, it amended Article 366 to define socially and educationally backward classes. The amendment aimed to provide constitutional status and powers to the NCBC and clarify the process for identifying SEBCs. Thus, the primary focus involves specifying a list of SEBCs which directly falls under the purview of Article 342A. Why other options are less suitable? This article deals with the official language of the Union, not backward classes. This article concerns the power of Parliament to amend the Constitution and the procedure thereof, not backward classes directly. This article prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. It is related to equality, but does not specifically address the specification of SEBCs. This article granted special autonomous status to Jammu and Kashmir and has since been abrogated. It is unrelated to backward classes.